a diva. I'm a diva. I'm a diva.
Hello, welcome back to the channel, y'all. This is what we're gonna call our single girl Sunday dinner series, okay? So that's some unsalted butter. Unsalted butter. It's very, very important to have unsalted butter. Look at all those seasonings we're using there. We don't want to overload on sodium, so we're using a half a tablespoon of each, even some lemon to cut into all of that and all of that, because we have us a nice fat old chicken here, Miss Chelsea the chicken baby. So what I'm about to do is spatchcock Miss Chelsea. I'm going to take the tailbone out of her so she can lay flat. Now, whole chickens are definitely cheaper than buying chicken pieces. In my case, Walmart, that's right near my house. Walmart and Publix is one of the only stores where you coupon. It'll give you your full coupon value, which means you can get overage, which means you let that roll into your other grocery items, like this whole chicken here that was $5, which was free for me. So we rocking with it. Now, I don't want to start a coupon the cooking channel. I don't, y'all. But I'm showing y'all my personality, like adding more lifestyle content. Like, this is what I do. This is the kind of person who I am. I'm not one noted. Everything is not all beauty, you know? I just want to expose another side to me, and this is it. Like, creating things on a budget, meals on a budget, and making good meals on a budget. Y'all, okay? So we're going back and we're going to put some seasoning on the outside of Miss Chelsea, because that's what we want that butter to do, to adhere to our chicken. And we are going to put Chelsea in the fridge for tomorrow. So this was the day before, so I guess technically this would be Saturday night. Also, up under that skin, important, that butter. Even if you're doing turkeys, put that butter up under there, because there's nothing worse than unseasoned chicken, but dry chicken. And the Diva way, there's nothing unseasoned and nothing dry about a piece of chicken over here. Okay? Cleanliness is next to godliness, and something with bleach, especially dealing with chicken, is important. Now, subscribe, comment, like, all that good stuff if you see what you like. Well, I would say subscribe if you see what you like. But definitely turn the notification bell and follow me on Instagram and Snap. So 151 is the internal temperature at that chicken, and she was not done. It has to be 160, 165. Those cheap crescent rolls, that was free. Softened butter, unsalted butter again. Add some honey to it and just brush it on. The simplest meals, y'all, I promise y'all, make the best, and storageable, meaning I can have for leftovers the next day and for lunch. And that was just a beautiful plate of food, and I didn't even need a rice or a potato. It was all good. The blueberry lemonade with some lemon vodka, because y'all know I have to keep a cocktail. And she was so cute. I'm sitting here getting a grand moment. So if you follow me on Instagram, you've already seen this, and I got a lot of requests for the recipe for the chicken and what I'm drinking. And there she was, okay? So, nonetheless, moving right along. Happy Sunday to everybody, cocktail and all. Oh, but wait. Y'all know that's a lot of chicken. It's Tuesday. Guess what? All that leftover chicken. We're about to put it to use, honey. Zest some lime in this rice. So I'm not a cilantro fan, but you know some people do cilantro lime rice. Listen, these zesters right here is a game changer. So I just got some garlic and lime in here, and that's good enough for me. So this cheese, we got the chicken that I reheat with taco sauce. A couple of pieces of bacon, trying to cook the last pack of that. And that's a wrap. Oh, these are my toppings. I've been in the store. I ain't get no pico. I ain't get no avocado. I'm gonna make it work. My neighbor and her kids coming over. I'm gonna make it work.
On a tragedy for once. Why can't you agree with me for once?